Subject of this video is Teams call quality and troubleshooting. There is a dashboard feature that enables you to get a sense of quality of service overall. And then there's a deep dive. You can go into user-specific settings. Let's look at the call quality dashboard. The more calls you have, the more information that'll be displayed here. And you can quickly eyeball whether or not your service quality is good or bad. If you get a sense that there's some poor quality, you get calls from certain people, then you can come here, check the overall service quality, and then you can go to the Teams Admin Center, and you go to Users, Manage Users, and you go into the Users Meeting and Call Quality. So just click there and scroll down. And it's quite a wide table, so you have to zoom over to the right to get a sense of what's going on. So you can see most of the calls are good, some are unknown. If you want to dive into that particular call, just scroll back to the left, click on the call, and you'll get some statistics as to what's happening. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.